If you see this cute baby owl, do not take it home with you. Although owls are super cute when they are little, when they grow up, they become deadly. Don't let this baby owl's cute and chubby body fool you. They can kill you if they want. Take this owl for instance. Its owner is plucking its feathers and he's plotting his revenge. In the wild, owls like to live in caves all by themselves, so when they get adopted by humans, they can get very annoyed. Even though they look funny while walking, there is nothing funny about an angry owl. You see, an owl has a super good memory. They can twist its head 360 degrees so nothing escapes their sight. So if you make them mad, they will notice and remember forever. And when you are least expecting it, they will creep up to you with their silent wings. With deadly claws that can catch prey larger than itself, you don't stand a chance. In fact, owls are so deadly that if you want one, you need a license.